You guys ready? Welcome to the Shoe Palace. How we doing, guys? What's on the feets? Okay. Trying to get attacked by bees apparently today. It is a beautiful day to drive the Z. There's a local meet going down. It's only like 10 minutes away. Should be a ton of dope builds. So we're gonna pull up over there in the Z. And then after that, I need to go over to like Harbor Freight or something. And I'm looking for like a special little tool that I need for the M340i later. And we will be coming back here and working on the beam. I could listen to that all day long. I don't know how many videos I'll tell you guys, but I just can't get over it. What's up, Doc? Dang, that shit is packed. The hella packed. Crazy turnout, bro. There's so many cars here. Got that front row parking. 997 GT3 RS? That's sick. Keep the interior though. Alright guys, let's check out what's here. Every meet I go to now, I feel like I see this guy. Very nice. It's still probably like top 5 dream car. Like I love this car. The NSXs. Damn, the NSXs are out. But damn, what is going on over here? This is a 1J? Yeah, I got a carbon in the back. That's super nice. Another one. Ooh. It's 997. Mint, bro. Seems nice. Very nice. 765 LT. Hard, bro. Thing's nasty. Look at this E30 though. Super mint. GT4 RS in red. Whose mans owns this? I need that. This thing will be fun. GT3 engine in this little ass car. This thing's super clean. I like the body kit. Hard. The pista. This thing's clean. Is it an EK? I don't know my Hondas like that. I know it's a hatch. Dude, this thing probably weighs like 100 pounds. So many NSXs here. That's pretty dope Supra. Damn. Track package. This guy for sure tracks it. That's what I like to see. Drive your cars, guys. Drive your cars. Oh man, this is the one right here. Oof. It's perfect. It's sick.
Horsepower stuff.
Ron's is pretty sick too. It's nice. It's just set up perfect. Stig too? You guys remember this one? The M5 that shot with? Super clean. If the M5 don't got active grill, I don't need that shit either. Damn, bro, that's beautiful. Oh my god, I was looking for you. Damn, all over Dave. Just super clean. Satin with the silver cage. Looks good. And the G80 got a hood now. Okay. All over me, huh? This guy knows the vibes. Got that pressed double black. Yeah, this thing's nice. Bro, what is this? That shit got a little baby intercooler, baby TEs. What the fuck? Bro, do you guys see the intercooler? Damn! I want to like pick it up.
It's pretty light. I mean, hey, which was the real S2000?
Bro, this thing is like, bro, I swear to God, I picked this thing up. They had a baby Tomei too. All the Nardo guys, they shit on me though, they got paint.
Later.
What's happening? What's happening? We are back at the Shoe Palace. Pretty solid meet, man. It was really dope. A lot of unique cars there. Some super clean builds, as you guys can see. That was like a perfect meet to take the S15. I should have just tried to drive it over there, huh? Nah, it's all bad. But yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed that. But we are here now, finally. About to work on the 340. Man, the TEs are like, Mamma mia! It's perfect. Man, look at that. Look at that active grill delete bussin'. Still have the check engine light for the code. I actually went into my boot mod app and there's a DTC deactivation in the settings. You're supposed to just put the code number in there, flash the car, and there shouldn't be a check engine light. It's supposed to like hide the code. I flashed the car like 5 times trying to get it to work and nada. So I'm gonna take it to my guys over at PQ and we're just gonna try to code it out some other way. I will be a lot more happy to drive this thing like this without check engine light. I just really hate lights, bro. It shit bothers the shit out of me. You already know what's going down. We are doing CSL yellow daytime running lights on the M340i. It's been something I've been eyeing for quite a while, and I'm like, man, that actually looks pretty sick with the yellow ones. I love the OEM daytime running lights. It looks really clean. It's nice. I am very fortunate to have the laser lights, so it looks a lot better than the standard ones. This is a real inexpensive mod, and you can change the whole front end appearance of your car. And it's easily reversible if you don't like or something goes wrong. Kind of hard to say no to it. It's like, why not? It shouldn't be a hard install. I mean, the best thing to do would be to take the headlights off to make things a little bit easier. But if you have the right tools, you should be able to just do it by taking the fender liner off. So we are going to attempt to install these today. Hopefully I can do it right without messing anything up. And yeah, man, it should look pretty sick when it's done. I don't know what kind of technology they got going on, bruh, but it is literally only a chip. This is all we're changing out, guys. So there's one here, one there. One right here is actually pretty easy to get to. It's right there when you pop the hood. This one is gonna be kind of a pain in the ass. So I had to go buy this, and I hope that this is short enough to clear, because you have a very, very tight space to get to the T20 right there. So hopefully this works. If not, we're gonna improvise and make it work. All right, guys, so We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got about like 12, 10 mils. So this is my first time taking the fender liner off this car. So I believe this is 2 pieces. I don't think I have to take off any on the bottom. All right, guys, fender liner is off. It's quite a few bolts. Damn, fender liner delete. All the air. All the rocks too, and all the water. Take off this guy right here and just swap over the little circuit boards. Okay, I see what they mean now. This one right here doesn't fit. You'll strip the shit out of it. So that is where this is gonna come in perfect. So this is gonna come clutch. So if you guys have something this size, you could do it. This was my plan B if this was too big. I'm gonna throw that in there. Tell me that wouldn't work. Just made my own tool. Okay, I see. There's another one. Little bro right there. Oh, that one's definitely gonna be a bitch to get to. I don't even think that yeah, this one's not even gonna fit. This one's not even gonna fit there. Holy shit. You need like a flat, perfectly flat. Okay, I see what's going on now. Yeah, that one's that's a problem. This is too big. We might have to do with my plan B. I'm gonna hope my plan B works, cause damn. Oh man, this is not looking fun. Damn, so yeah, this looked like a real easy job, but it's just not. He wasn't lying. Honestly, for this to work out, I would need something, it would have to honestly look like this, basically. I know they sell stuff like that online, but as far as trying to find it anywhere near here, I'm not gonna find something like that. Like, I thought I was good with that one, but... Alright, you guys are about to laugh at me, but look what I made. If this works, I'm a legend. Alright guys, 30 minutes later. So the little thing I made actually worked enough to loosen it up, but the problem was, obviously as you're loosening it, I get less and less room with the screw. So I said, F it. I just drilled a hole, bruh. I am not taking off the entire bumper, entire headlight for one bolt. Like, you got me effed up. So I just drilled a hole. And this guy right here, bam! Right through the hole. No problem. So, at least I know I'll be able to get it off. There she is, guys, the third one. I wasn't playing no games. It's kind of stupid though that they don't give you access to that. I mean, I guess if you have the proper tool for it, then just use that. But if you don't care, just drill a hole. Like, who cares? It's not like anyone sees this shit. All right, guys, she is off finally. And yeah, that's all it is. Just basically heat this up. Has a little bit of like glue, some type of OEM like adhesive. Heat it up, pop that off, and pop on the new one. Plug it back in, and it should work. I hope. Well, I can tell you that was a bitch to take off. I even bent it, trying to get it off. Like, how hot do I have to heat this thing up, bro? She was like boiling hot, like even with the glove on. Damn. So I don't know if this is damaged since it's been. Like, I don't know if these are gonna work normal again, but whatever. With this side done, this one should be fairly easy. Pop the hood, get to that one, and we got one side completed. And we're gonna move on to the next side. All right, guys, this side is all done. Now that I knew to just drill a hole, honestly, it made my job a billion times easier. But bro, the clearance on this side is like crazy ridiculous. So, I mean, if you want to just be like me, make it easy, cut a hole in that joint, no problem. Like I said, if you do have a tool that's thinner than this and it works, then go for it. But I don't, so I had to improvise. Cut a hole in that bitch. So yeah, man, fender liner going back on. I'm gonna do this last one up top and we should be good. All right, guys, we are finally all finished up. Everything is installed and back to normal. You guys ready? Sheesh. Bro, it looks so dope. Wait till the headlights actually come off, but they look sick. What do you guys think? I think it looks dope. Like, yeah, it's not a CSL or the M5 CS or nothing, but I think it looks pretty sick. And when I turn them fully off, they should actually be brighter too. So I'm gonna pull this thing out so I can get you guys some outside shots, see how it's looking. It just makes the car look a lot more aggressive. And then the yellow goes really, really good with the paint since we have this gold metallic in here. Hopefully I did everything right. So far, so good. And yeah, we'll see how long these things last. All right, guys, see that thing looking. Watch this shit start flickering. All right, you guys ready? You can't tell me that doesn't look hard. Especially now that we did the active grill delete. Bro, it shit looks so much more meaner up front. Let's see how it looks on here. I F with it tough, bro. I think it should look mean.